Hey, my friend Garrett here. What I'm going to cover inside this video is what I truly believe to be the best online business to start in 2020 for beginners. Okay, so if you're someone that's wanted to make money online before and maybe you've struggled, maybe you've tried to promote something in the past, but you just don't know how to do it, this video is going to break down, again, after 5 long years online personally, what I truly believe to be the best business that's easy and will start to create you results even as soon as this week. Now on the screen, you can see some screenshots of messages. These actually came in to me, okay? And these are people that were brand new. They applied the business that I'm about to reveal to you inside of this video. They started getting results and then they were so excited they sent me, okay? And one of them you can see made $500 or more in a week. The other one, I'm finally about to quit my job, okay? And then the other person, up 3 more sales, okay? And sales equals money. Now, who's this for? Who is this business actually for? Well, first off, if it's for someone is if you want to create income passively without any previous experience. So again, maybe you're brand new, you've been home, you are trying to look for a way to generate some side income or just, quit your job. This can be for you, okay? Also, if you don't have any technical or sales skills, again, the business I'm going to reveal to you in a second is completely simple for people 18 years old all the way up to 80. Maybe you don't know how to operate a computer. You don't have any sales skills either. You don't know how to sell. You're not going to have to worry, okay? And the last thing, this is for someone who can follow simple steps because there are a few steps you need to apply, but it's very easy and very simple as you'll see as we continue to watch this video. Now, what are the simple steps we'll use to achieve this, to actually implement this online business? Well, what we're going to do is the first step is we're going to activate an account inside of a free system. Now, when it comes to make money online, the easiest way, in my personal opinion, and all my peers agree, is to do something called affiliate marketing. This is where you can actually promote other people's products online that are already created, already selling well. And when you make a sale, that is actually coded to you. Okay, you get the credit, and then you will receive money for doing the work of referring people. Now, oftentimes though, if you try to go out there and do affiliate marketing, you have to create your own website to try to sell that product. You have to follow up with people manually. You have to do all the sales tactics and send, follow-up emails because most people won't buy right away. And, it's very complicated. But inside of this video, I'm going to reveal a free system that I'm personally using, that those people in the front of the video were using, that has a full funnel, okay? It has a full system in place with capture pages to be able to capture someone's email address. It has a sales process in place that will actually sell that person for you. And then it even has built-in follow-up emails that will start going out to that person that put their email in that page until they either buy or they decide it's not for them. But this is how we're going to be able to do this simple business, because all you're going to have to do, which I'll share in a second, is get visitors to that first link that's coded to you. Because once you do that, again, the system is going to take over and do all the heavy lifting, all the following up, all the selling for you. Now, step 2 is, again, we're going to get visitors to your link using either free or paid methods. And I'm going to share 2 different ways you can. One is a paid method to get endless visitors to your link. And the other one is a free method, okay? So you can kind of choose if you have a little bit more money and you want to do paid advertising, or if you want to just use free strategies. And then number 3 is I'm going to share with you how you can access some powerful bonus training to really achieve the results you want even faster. Okay, now there's going to be a link directly below this video where you can actually click and access this free done-for-you system to start to generate these commissions even on autopilot. Now, when you click that link, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Okay, now what you want to do is put in your best email here. This is going to allow you to start to create your account as well as find out how to set up everything. Now, once you put your email in here and you hit this button, it's going to redirect you to this page. Okay, now you want to watch this welcome video here. This is David Deacle, the creator of this done-for-you system, okay? And you want to, look over all this. They have testimonials, okay, people that have already used this system. Okay, so this guy, Joshua, made $2,000 in just 2 days of starting. Okay, the most money he had ever made. Okay, this guy here, Sam, was able to, buy a Mercedes Benz. Okay, so you can look over that. But once you hit continue, you're going to be able to watch this video, okay, if you want. I'm going to break down a lot of it inside of this video, and then start to set up your income streams. Now, this is the very first step. If you want a successful online business, most people, they struggle because they're just promoting one product or one affiliate offer. And the problem is that you're really capping your income. You know, most people, if they buy one product, they're going to buy more products. So if you really want to make the most amount of money as possible, you want multiple income streams. Well, the beautiful thing about this system is it has up to 6 different income streams already built in that will sell people for you, so you can start to generate commissions on autopilot. Okay, so all you would have to do is go through each income stream, click these buttons, okay, and you'll get taken to the website where you can go ahead and create an account. Now, once you sign up, and again, you want to watch this video so David shares exactly how to get started in the different income streams. But once you do that, you will get a ID, okay, your affiliate ID that tracks the sale to you. So you'll get credit. And then you just put it in this little box and hit save. Okay, so you do that with all the different income streams. Now, once you do that, it's very, very simple. Okay, all you're going to do is you're going to take this link, okay, and you are going to get as many people as possible to that link. This is your custom coded affiliate link. Okay, so once you send someone to this link, they will start to go through the process following the simple process that David has already laid out, and that person will begin going through the income streams just like you will in a second, setting up their different accounts, and when they invest at a high level, or any level rather, inside of these different income streams, again, you will get coded, you will get credit, and you will start to generate income. And again, the reason these people, okay, have been able to generate this income on autopilot is because the system is doing all the telling, all the selling for you. Now, what I want to share with you is this link, okay, if you go to this link, what it's going to take you to is this page. Okay, but now it's going to be coded to you. So now when you share your link and someone puts their email in, again, David will start to walk them through the process, okay, share results, share proof, and then when they buy, again, you will earn money, right? It's very, very powerful. So you can see right here on the bottom, if you can see that, it just said David, a member, new member of the system, already made $250. Okay, this person, Ontarion, another $998 commission. Okay, so people from all over the world, this is a worldwide opportunity, a worldwide business, and people are seeing some absolutely incredible results. Now, what I want to do is share with you, how can you start getting people to your link? Because that's all you have to focus on. If you try to do other online businesses like Shopify or Forex, you have to constantly monitor it, right? You have to constantly be in the weeds and constantly, tweak things. The beautiful thing about this business is all we do is get visitors to your link. You don't have to worry about writing the emails. You don't have to worry about getting on the phone with people. You don't have to worry about even putting your face out there, right? You can just work on getting people to your link, okay, in as little as 10 minutes a day, and the system will do all the rest for you. So now what I want to do is share with you how to start getting some people to this link, okay? Because remember, that's really the second step, okay? Get visitors to your link using free or paid methods. So the first way I want to cover is the paid method. So what you have to realize is one of the best paid methods to use for a business like this is called solo ads. Now, I'm on a site right now called Udemy.com. Udemy is a site where you can actually purchase solo ads. Now, what is a solo ad? Well, what you have to realize is that people online are building an email list. So they have pages like this that they get people to put their email in. And so there are people online that have thousands of email addresses or leads that they've collected. And what you can do on Udemy.com is actually purchase a solo ad, which is basically paying someone on this site to email all their email list, okay? And you can write in whatever email you want, and you can send it to whatever link you want to actually promote. So for example, let's say I go to Udemy and I see this guy right here, okay? I open it up. and I can actually write in right here an email that I want this person to send to their list. And with Udemy, you can choose how many visitors I want to get to click on that link, okay? And as you can see right here, okay, the total amount, this is paid advertising, so you'd have to pay, but again, the system is gonna pay you, for the long run. As you see, okay, just by adjusting this, the total is gonna change, okay? So you can test low, try out this person with like 100 visitors, okay, so $43, see if you get any sales, see if you get any leads, and then if you do, you can scale up, etc. Okay, so this is really powerful, and this is paid advertising. Now, I want to share that inside of the system, if you go all the way down, David has listed, okay, the traffic checklist for solo ads. So you want to make sure that if you go to Udemy and you're doing that as your method of getting visitors to your link, you want to make sure that the seller has at least 3 sales in the last 30 to 60 days. Okay, now how do you do that? You would go through, okay, and this person said they got sales, this person said they got sales, and this person said they got sales. 3 different people within a day. Okay, so that qualifies as the first criteria. The next is you want to make sure the seller has a minimum 70 to 80% traffic, okay, in the USA, Canada, UK, or Australia. This is called top tier traffic. The reason is we want to send people to our link that probably have money, okay? Because if you send people who are in, third world countries, oftentimes they're not going to have money to actually invest. So we want to make sure that the Udemy seller has top tier traffic. And if you look right here, right here, they actually offer 100% top tier countries. Okay, so now each seller is going to vary, but this person qualifies. And then if I go here, it says no bad reviews. Okay, so you can actually look through, and you can look through, did anyone say anything negative? Okay, and this person isn't looking like they did, so I would potentially order. Okay, you can actually see that they do have 50, okay, that have actually said that it was a negative, so I may actually move on. But that's the criteria, okay? So if you have some paid advertising, and then he even gives you the email copy, right? The subject line and the email that you would just put in here, okay? And then the link that you would put in the email is the link to your opt-in page, okay? So you would get the link right here. So that's what you would put in the solo ad, okay? That's the first way, that's paid. What I want to share with you though is if you go to income stream number 1, okay, and you go to create an account, the first income stream is a business or a company called Easy One Up. Okay, now Easy One Up is digital marketing training on how to make money online, and they have different levels that you can actually join at. Now we earn commissions in this specific income stream at the level we join at and below. So it's best to stretch yourself and come in as high as possible. But what I want to share with you is that if you join at the $2,000 level, and it's a one-time investment, not only would you unlock all the other levels and the potential to earn, $2,000 commissions, but you would also unlock powerful bonuses, okay? And what I want to do is share with you the bonuses, how to access them. These are the bonuses that you would get if you could come in at that $2,000 level. Now, bonus number 1 is you get free access to the leader level inside income stream number 2. So income stream number 2 has different levels that you can join at as well. And if you just come in at the $2,000 level in the first income stream, you'll also unlock the highest level in the second income stream. Okay, and you can actually make up to $998 commissions in that second income stream if you do just join at the high level in the first income stream. Now, bonus number 2 is you also get complimentary 5-day Mexican beachfront vacation stay. Now, this is a $1,497 value if you were to go out there and purchase it yourself, but you get that included for free as a bonus if you actually join at the $2,000 level inside that first income stream in this system, okay? So very, very cool. If you've always wanted to, stay on the beachfront vacation 5 days, okay, why not just join at a level you would want into anyway? Because, any business is going to require an investment, but no business, unlike this one, is going to have all this incredible stuff done for you. Now, bonus number 3 is where you can get free traffic, free visitors to that link that we're promoting. Because what you'll get access to is a YouTube rotator. So David Deacle, the creator of this system, has a YouTube channel right now, and he is getting a lot of people to see his YouTube videos. Well, what he does is he puts a link in the description of his videos, and when you join at that $2,000 level, you will get added to the rotator, and it will go through and show your affiliate link occasionally. So as people go and watch his video and they click the link, it will often be your video or your link, and you will start to get visitors to your funnel, to your system for free. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible to start to get free traffic, you know, on top of the Udemy, right? You don't even have to do the Udemy. You can just use the YouTube rotator and start to get free traffic just joining at the highest level. And then bonus number 4, this is my own personal bonus I'm throwing in for joining me in this business, is you get access to my top video training and resources to get daily leads and sales on autopilot. This is a $4,467 value because I share with you my top training membership site for free. I share with you my top performing ads that you can just copy and paste on social media to start to get leads and sales. I share with you Facebook ad courses, okay, on how to start generating traffic and leads with Facebook advertising and more, okay? So I hope you got value in this video. Again, this is my #1 recommended online business to start in 2020 for beginners. If you got value and you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like this. Subscribe for more videos because I'm going to be sharing more information on how to make money online. And last but not least, go down below, set up your free system, plug into the different income streams. Be sure to get started at the $2,000 level if possible so you can access all these bonuses. And I really think you're going to love this. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.